I bet you didn't know that AI could be your career's best friend. Intrigued? Let's dive in. From the loom to the laptop, technology has always reshaped the job market. But artificial intelligence? It's on a whole new level. Unlike previous tech, AI isn't just replacing labor, it's starting to replace thinking. Take a look at this. A recent study by Goldman Sachs says 300 million jobs worldwide could be affected by AI. But don't panic yet. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's transforming them. It's making employees faster, more creative, and in some cases, superhuman. The future isn't about man versus machine. It's about man plus machine. The real winners? They're the ones learning how to work with AI, not against it. Here are some jobs that are growing because of AI, not despite it. AI prompt engineers, cybersecurity analysts, AI ethics officers, mental health professionals, and skilled trades. Yes, plumbers and electricians are safe. AI can't fix a leaky faucet. Yet. Here's the good news. You don't need to become a programmer overnight, but you do need to become AI aware. Learn how AI is used in your field, explore free tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and Synthesia, and upskill with online courses from LinkedIn, Coursera, and others. AI won't steal your job, but someone who knows how to use AI, they might. If you want more videos to future-proof your career, hit that subscribe button and comment below. How do you think AI will change your job?